Have you noticed feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Struggling with low energy, lack of motivation, or that afternoon crash that just won't go away? If you're over 50, this isn't just a normal part of aging. In fact, constant fatigue can be a sign of something your body is trying to tell you. In this video, we'll explore the real reasons why people over 50 feel tired all the time and what you can do about it, according to medical science. Stick with me till the end, where I'll also share my personal daily energy routine that has helped hundreds of my patients feel revitalized. Section 1. Poor sleep quality. Let's start with one of the most common causes, poor sleep. As we age, our sleep cycles change. Light sleep increases, deep sleep decreases. Add conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, or even nighttime bathroom trips, and you're left exhausted. Symptoms to watch for: waking up tired despite 7 to 8 hours in bed, snoring or gasping during sleep, daytime drowsiness. What helps? Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine and screens 2 hours before bed. Try melatonin. Consult your doctor first. Get checked for sleep apnea. Section 2. Nutrient deficiencies. As we age, our bodies absorb nutrients less efficiently. Common deficiencies after 50 include vitamin B12, iron, vitamin D, magnesium. Even a mild deficiency can cause fatigue, brain fog, or low mood. What you can do: get blood tests annually. Eat iron-rich foods, spinach, beans, lean meats. Take vitamin D supplements if levels are low. Consider a multivitamin made for seniors. Section 3. Thyroid and hormone imbalance. The thyroid gland regulates your metabolism. If it slows down, you will too. Hypothyroidism is very common in people over 50, especially women. Symptoms: fatigue, cold intolerance, weight gain, dry skin. Doctor tips: ask for a TSH blood test. Medication can help levothyroxine. Don't ignore subtle signs of change. Hormonal changes, like reduced testosterone or estrogen, can also drain energy. Talk to your doctor about hormone levels if you're constantly exhausted. Section 4. Blood sugar and diabetes. Many people over 50 are pre-diabetic and don't even know it. Blood sugar fluctuations can make you feel tired, shaky, and foggy. Tips to balance blood sugar: eat small, balanced meals. Avoid refined carbs and sugar. Include protein in every meal. Get 30 minutes of walking daily. Section 5. Mental and emotional fatigue. Tiredness isn't always physical. Mental stress, anxiety, or even boredom can leave you drained. What helps? Mindfulness or meditation, talking to a therapist or support group, gentle hobbies like gardening, painting, or music. Section 6. Dehydration and low activity. Dehydration is a hidden energy killer. Our thirst signals weaken with age. Even mild dehydration causes fatigue and confusion. Tips: drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Limit alcohol and excess caffeine. Start your day with a glass of warm water. Lack of movement also slows down circulation and metabolism. Try this simple daily routine: 5-minute morning stretch, 10-minute evening walk. Section 7. Medication. Side effects. Many medications used after 50 can cause fatigue. Blood pressure meds, antidepressants, allergy medicines, painkillers. Always read side effects and talk to your doctor if you feel more tired after starting a new prescription. Section 8. My daily energy routine doctor's guide. Here's what I recommend to my patients. Morning. Wake at the same time daily, drink warm lemon water, light stretch, plus deep breathing, high-protein breakfast, eggs, nuts, oats. Midday. 15-minute walk after lunch. Hydrate well. Evening. Wind down early. Herbal tea, like chamomile, low lighting, and no screens before bed. These small habits build lasting energy. Call to action and next video hook. Fatigue isn't something you just have to accept. Once you find the cause, you can fix it. I hope this video gave you insight and confidence to take the next step. In our next video, we'll explore the #1 diet mistake most people over 50 make that drains their energy every single day. Don't miss it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family, and subscribe for more doctor-backed health tips made just for you.